Man, I fucking hate Thomas the fucking Tank Engine. Thomas in a train, not a military tank, but what I will do to him. Wait a minute, I will kill Thomas the Tank Engine, because all engine squad sucks. Ha 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 ha.
Thomas the Tank Engine, the #1 engine on Sodor. Shit! I need to go home.
I will kill you, bitch.
Jesus. How do you kill me or what?
Well, you're the worst cartoon character.
Tell me what? The worst cartoon character ever? Fuck no. This is the worst day ever.
Goodbye, loser.
Shit! Robot, how dare you kill Thomas? That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded for 1 group of 2s, 4, 6, 9 hours. Go to your room right now.
Washington.